Drums, the heartbeat to any kind of music in popular modern history. But what happens when we take this instrument that has been used all over the world for centuries and we do some unconventional things to it, putting things on our drums that are unconventional and create a new kind of sound? Well, let's play some beats. Traditions have their place, but sometimes they could keep us from making new discoveries. And new discoveries are a beautiful thing, especially when it comes to our exploration in music. Like this back here. There's something pretty different. Let me show you. This cymbal by Meinl is a classic custom dark 22-inch crash ride cymbal. It's a great rock cymbal. But as you can see, I have a bacon ring on it, sizzling ring, which creates a different effect. But the secret ingredient is what's under the cymbal. A Sabian 14-inch crash cymbal underneath produces a very unusual sound. I personally have grown tired of the regular traditional ride cymbal thing. That's because I'm really into electronic forms of music and what special artists in the past have done to alter sound using different drum machines and different techniques, even on cymbals, to create something new. I personally love this approach. It's quite different and it brings something out different in what you play. Here's an example. Make sure you find your pocket, that thing that motivates you. Putting things on your drums, whether that's moon gel, ching rings on your cymbals, studio rings on your drums, all types of things. Have fun and be creative. And don't let the naysayers put you down or confuse you on where you want to go on this instrument. Remember, always be you. Until next time, be cool. And if you can't be cool, be funky.